Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the Microsoft Edge desktop search bar in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match, come back to Registry Editor. Go ahead and right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you'd have to do is select File and then Import and then navigate to the file location. So now we're ready to begin, and we're going to start off by double-clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing after the software folder. Should be a policies folder in here, double-click on that. Should be a Microsoft folder, double-click on it. And then you want to locate a folder that says Edge. If you do not see a Microsoft Edge folder in here, you might have to right-click on the Microsoft folder, select New, and then Key. Name this key Edge, E-D-G-E. Hit Enter. And then once you've done that, you want to go on the right panel, right-click on a blank area, select New, and then select DWORD 32-bit value. Name this value Web, W-E-B, Widget, W-I-D-G-E-T, Allowed, A-L-L-O-W-E-D, and then hit enter. First letter of each word should be capitalized. Double click on that value and set it to the number 0 and select OK. If you already had this value in here, you obviously would not have to recreate it, but you would want to make sure the data is set to 0 in here. And then once that is done, go ahead and just close out of the registry editor. And you will need to restart your computer at this time in order for the change to take effect. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.